Hello guys, welcome back to Viology. Well, today, of course, you know I have an open collab along with my sis Tammy, and I decided to bring y'all on the outside. So usually in our subdivision we have 4th of July fireworks and they're steady going. So I was like, why will I set it up in the inside when we're gonna watch the fireworks from the outside? So guys, I set mine up on my front porch because this is where we see all of the fireworks in our subdivision for the last almost 3 years. So guys, I want to thank Tammy. I messaged her, I called her, and I said, I want to do a 4th of July tablescape, but I want to do a twist to it. I want to do a twist by saying to take a napkin and do something with a napkin. I wanted a different twist to a tablescape. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring you into my tablescape and show you what I did and also what I did with my napkins. Yes. So guys, come along. Welcome to Viology. Viology. Hi guys, the host of this collaboration, 4th of July Tablescape with a twist, is myself, Viology, and I am Vondessa, and my host, not co-host, is Tammy, and she is from Tammy Thompson-TVMG. The rules to this was very simple. Do a 4th of July tablescape and also use a napkin for your twist, any kind of way you want it. So let's get into this. Tammy, thank you so much for coming along with me to do this collaboration. And if you have not been over to Tammy home, please do go over and visit her. All her information will be in the description bar below. So first, guys, this is a quick DIY that I did. I usually have a letter D up here, but I wanted to put something up here that was a little bit different. So this is our United States flag, and of course I have our big flag there, and also in our walkway I do have flags out there also. So this says USA, it has our flag, and because of what year it is 2020. So it does say 2020, and one of the colors that the military use is this color. So guys, this is my sign for my front porch for the 4th of July. Okay guys, so this is what I set up. This is my front porch. So this is what I set up. This is like my husband and I can sit out here and watch the fireworks on this Saturday coming. So we can sit out here and drink wine together and have something here to eat and as we watch the fireworks, because our fireworks here starts at like 7 o'clock and it ends at 10:30. So it's a perfect time. The heat is down some, so we can sit out here, relax, and have a little snack dinner together and enjoy wine together. So guys, I'm gonna bring you in very close to show you what my tablescape looks like. Hopefully you do enjoy it. 4th of July napkins that I had from last year, the year before. So she did make some roses for me inside that vase. I did put another napkin in there, and I just took that and kind of like pushed it in there with my flowers. So I think it is absolutely so festive, yet still so cute. And also I put it inside my bowl. So inside my bowl, it is also one inside my bowl. So I would like to say to my daughter, and she's over at Life with Angelina, thank you so much, my sweetheart. So guys, this is my tablescape, and we're out. So guys, hopefully you did enjoy my outside tablescape for the 4th of July. I am so excited, and I want to pause and say one thing. My nephew's birthday is on the July the 4th. So Joshua from Auntie, happy birthday. So he's a 4th of July baby, and what a perfect time, because 2 years ago I had him a 4th of July birthday party. So that is my baby. So Joshua from Auntie, Uncle, and your cousins, happy birthday, because I know you're going to be looking at this video. So guys, hope you did enjoy my video. Tammy, thank you so much. I executed this to you very quickly and said, how about let's do a tablescape, but I want to do it with twist, and Tammy was, boom, let's do it. I'm in. So Tammy, thank you so very much. All of my participants, thank you so much. I think this is like my second one that I went on. No, I'm sorry. This is like my 4th one that I did on my own, and I asked someone else to come in with me. Of course, you know, it is my season coming up again, Christmas, and that is an annual thing that I started doing, and it is coming up Christmas. You can check my about page, and you will see it on there on my about page what I am doing, and that's every year. So guys, if you are new to the home of Vology, welcome, welcome, and welcome. If you are oldie but yet a goodie, hello and welcome back. So guys, you know what I always say, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, happy 4th of July. You. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Please remember to like, comment, share, thumbs up my video, and please turn on your notification bell because I'm always uploading. Thanks guys for watching my video. Until the next time guys, bye.